Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So for this video I decided to make Sasha Velour from RuPaul's Drag Race Season 9 the finale look, and I decided to make her because I really like her since when the queens started to be released at the cast. I already liked her by the photo shoots that I saw it, and is a queen that I really like, so I hope you enjoy it. So I started her face by her eyeshadows with the chalk pastels, and I used an orange color to make it. After that I used the watercolor pencil to finish her eyes and draw it everything since the eye lines until the eyeballs. Her eyebrows, I tried to do as close as possible as I was looking at their pictures because she has a unique eyebrow, so I tried with the watercolor pencil. Her lips I decided to make very red, so I used also the watercolor pencils, one red vivid and a little more darker red to contour her lips. I added some glitter in the space between her eyes and her eyebrows to give some shiny look to her. Her dress was made by Deborah. Her Instagram link is in the description, so if you want to follow her, check it out.